I think it'll make it. Screw it. Take it.
Dude, that's fucking super gnarly from down here, dude. Fuck. I got a better view up there for some reason. I feel like, dude.
Yeah, they always say you always want to face your rig when you're, but I don't know. I'm weird. I'm always behind my rig and I do okay. Just depends on the obstacle, I guess. Knee of God.
Yeah, hey, that's not the hand of God, so you can't fucking knock me on points.
Oh.
It's pretty stable though.
Yeah, it's sitting down.
Both the wheels were like, or the front wheels were just off the fucking ground.
That's it. Nice, bro.
You're gonna find a line that you can't do. No, which is probably not meant.